To modify the voltage tap harness, we first need to take these two tabs off. The third one is pretty hard to open, so I just cut it off like that. If you know you're not going to go back to nickel metal hydride, you can cut all the wires off here and it makes the next step easier. If there's any chance you might want to go back to nickel metal hydride, don't do that because it's going to be hard to put it back together. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut this off all the way because I'm hooked on lithium. Now we're going to take all of this electric tape off. Okay, and now we'll take the conduit off here. Keep taking all the electric tape off. Okay, so with all the electric tape off, we're going to cut the red and white wires here, basically as close as you can to the BCM connector. If there's any chance again that you're going to go back to nickel metal hydride, leave a little stub here so you can put the wires back if you need to. But these wires need to be at least 485 millimeters long. The longer you can get them, the better. I have no intention of going back to nickel metal hydride, so again, I'm going to cut those off. This we don't need and we can just throw it away. So on the remaining connector section here, we need to take this black electric tape off. Okay, now we're going to take the thinner wires, which are the shorter ones, and we're going to cut them off. So we're going to cut the thinner red and the thinner white wires off. So we'll cut the red off here, and we'll cut the white off there. And you're left with that. That is all we need out of what we started with. So earlier we cut this off of the temperature sensor harness, and we are now going to pull the black eyelet out. And we're going to take the conduit that's included with the LiBCM kit, and we're going to cut this red to be the exact length, or it doesn't have to be exact, but close to the same length. It's 435 millimeters if you want to be exact. And we're going to take and push this red conduit onto the wire. And it's real simple until you get to here. Now let me show you a trick here. Find where the wire ends, which is about right here, and we're going to pinch it with our right hand, and then we're going to take and we're going to pull with our left, and then let go with our right, and then find the new end. We moved a couple inches, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pull with our left hand, and then let go with our right. I'm going to do it a couple more times. There it is, it just came through. Once this comes through, you can just pull this and just kind of massage it down. We're going to go all the way to the edge here, like that. Okay, take a short piece of electric tape, it does need to be pretty short, and wrap it around the white wire here. Make it tidy. And then you're going to stick both of these wires through the 3/8 inch conduit that is included in the kit. And now this is the MCM'E harness.